we're going to shove that into that. Why? I don't know. I'm bored. This is an AMD Radeon RX580 4 gig video card out of my PC. Let's see if it fits. Well, it's going to fit. Let's see if it works. Okay, so in here now with the Radeon 4750 HD video card, which is actually a PC card anyway. So no boot screen, unfortunately, but it works. So I already disconnected my monitor. And this card, slide right out. And this was a gift from Greg Retke. Or no, this one wasn't. The other Radeon I have is. So you're getting a good shot at my memory risers. Don't get jealous of my whole 20 gigs of memory. Oh, here it is. Man, it's tiny. And this video card isn't all that great. It's just a kind of a basic card. It's not the best thing I've ever had, but it was cheap. So what we're going to do, we're just going to leave the cover off, move the tower of power back a little bit, don't look at the mess. And this is going to be this computer's last day here as well. It's going to move into my living room. Yeah, it chimed. It's going to take a couple minutes for it to actually come on. Since I don't get a boot screen, it doesn't kick the monitor on right away. And this is my 22-inch cinema display. And this isn't too promising, to be honest with you. Still don't have any power to the display yet. So I'm going to call this a fail. I know the video card does work. I just took it out of my PC. It's possible it's just too much, too new for this machine. This machine is 11 years old. So I think we're just going to chalk this up to a fail and say that your Radeon your Radeon RX will not work in your 1,1 Mac Pro. So, oh well.